That looks like I'm facing the ground.
Well, no, because, you know, yeah.
Right? I would be like facing the ground if I was doing that. That doesn't make sense. You don't know how drones work, do you?
No, if you're looking as the drone, then it would be like that.
What's up, guys? We're here in Auburn. Look who's here. These two. And me, Eli, your host. Today, we're going to explore some Auburn sites. That's the courthouse. We're going to do some sightseeing, get some footage. What? Sightseeing? Well, yeah, you know, like the Forest Hill Bridge. Get some drone footage and just have some fun. Aldo, what do you want to get up today?
I want to see the best that Auburn has to offer.
You've seen it.
I want to see it again. Bit in drone action, yeah.
Yeah, drone action. Come along! Aldo, that was your first time with a drone.
It was pretty exciting and scary at the same time. Never flew something that impressive with an HD camera. Pretty nice.
Fly things often?
I do fly things often, but we can't talk about it on...
I'm just asking.
I do fly kites.
Okay.
I do.
Well, we're kind of like far from Auburn. We're like towards Forest Hill. The really pretty areas here in the Auburn area.
Of heights, so this is kind of freaking me out, but look at the view, it's great. Hey guys, we're here in Auburn.
We just flew the drone here in this beautiful area. Thoughts, feelings, concerns?
We got to see how far the drone will go without Eli getting nervous, so that was pretty great.
The answer is not very far.
Okay, I'm still learning. Still getting comfortable with it. That's okay. Nobody died. That is the important part of
They're
today.
Still young.
You excited, Laura? That means yes.
Although, what's the most exciting thing about this trip right now?
Stop it. I'm driving. My audience will call bullshit though, because in the last video that Aldo and I made here at Forest Hill Bridge, I was driving.
You said that was many
No,
years
shut up.
ago.
It was like yesterday. I definitely didn't have a beard.
It's pretty strange being driven by Eli.
How strange is it?
Suck it, both of you.
I feel like we all disclose that we have a fear of heights.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Laura packed snacks.
Sick. Alright, so I guess we're on our way to Forest Hill Bridge right now, just walking towards it. Eli filming Laura, me filming Eli.
Should I film you?
If you could film me, that'd be great. Now Laura is filming me while Eli films her, and I film Laura. One of us will fall. Who will it be? Do I just get ahead of you and...
My shirt was like
Filmception.
What?
Say something cool.
Something cool.
Oh my god, you're great. You're a natural.
We will return. We will be triumphant. Yeah, we were a little triumphant, just not triumphant enough, you know. Like we gotta be like
11% battery life on the drone.
a little bit of footage, not as much as I think Aldo would have liked.
I wanted everything. I wanted you to go through the bridge, underneath it,
That would
above
actually be
it.
pretty dope. I would not feel comfortable flying it through that.
Old Eli would have passed it through, but
Don't get far.
Let's boy band it.
There we go. Well, that's it. That's our adventure today. We did some Auburn. We did some Forest Hill. We did some Forest Hill Bridge.
Still have to do more Forest Hill Bridge.
but we'll get to that bridge, or we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Edit that out.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like it. Please subscribe. Do all that. We'll make another video again very soon. Thanks for watching. What?
Nothing.
Bye.